Hello everyone, so welcome to this channel, and in this video session I'll discuss what is FTP and one of its command LCD directory name. So FTP is basically used to send and receive the files from one system to the other system, and LCD is one of its command that we can use during the FTP process. So let's see. Just do FTP loop back. So I don't have remote machine. So I'll be using loopback mechanism to FTP on the same machine, but on different, uh, let's say, library. Now just log in, just set the image as binary. Now what I can do is let's say my save file is present in easy class 1 library, and the fully qualified part for that is /qsys.lib /easyclass1.lib /save1.smpf. So I don't want to give the fully qualified path, so I just change the local current directory to the system directory to the uh, my directory. So that's basically easy class 1 library. So you can see local working directory is easy class 1 right now. Now I only have to use the save one. Let's put save one.savef. So I don't need to use all this qualification like /qsys.lib /easyclass1.lib. So there's no need for that now. I want to put it on, let's say, on another library, 2.save1.lib /save1.savef. So you can see it's now success. Now, if I want to do this, let's say I want to set the name format first, then what I can do is just do LCD easy class 1 dot. Now I want to set the local working directory to this library, so I have to use .lib extension this time because the name format is set to 1. So you can see that the qsys.lib /easyclass1.lib is set. Now I can do FTP again. This time I'll just do the FTP to save to.savef. Just quit from here. Work obj easy class 2 slash star all. So you can see save 1 and save 2 are created. Just delete them. You don't need them. Now there is one more way we can use this. So let's open run and cmd. And from here, just do the FTP first. I see these. That is AS400.com. Asking for the lab username and the password. Now set the binary image for a transfer. What I can do is I want to transfer to some of my, let's say, and location, and I want to set this to the local current directory. So what I'm doing is I'm setting this as local current directory. So I can use this command here, lcd slash this. I can set this to the local path, local directory. So local directory now this. So when I'm doing let's say get slash qsys.lib slash easy class 1 dot lib slash sav1 dot savef. So I want to get this file to the same location, sav1 dot savef. Just press enter. So you can see port subcommand request successful. Okay, it's the command is running. So now you can see on this location. On this location, you are seeing the temporary file. So here you can see the FTP is going on and command is running. So this will take time to FTP or get this on the Windows machine from ibmi. So I'm not going to do or delay this video at that time. So just I was showing that how you can see how you can change the local current directory, working directory using the LCD command on both ibmi or on Windows, that is system32 command. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice day.